So, if you don't mind, may I know what's your name? Would you tell me your old
Andrews.
name, please? Yeah,
Andrews.
I can't hear you. Please speak up.
Yes.
Oh, that's
Can you
good.
hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you properly. So, you're looking so beautiful.
একটু হাসেন।
Thank you.
Thank you. So, thank you so much because thank you for coming my Bigo Live. I am searching PK, but everyone don't come to my Bigo Live, but I don't know.
Should I follow? What are you saying?
Okay. So, where are you from? If you don't mind, would you mind? May I know where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Oh, you're from Philippines. Most of the girls from Philippines, but
Yeah.
Philippine girls, most of the Philippine girls come to my Bigo Live, but why I don't know. And
How about you? Where?
Philippines, most of the girls speak English very well and very cute.
Of course, Char.
হ্যালো হ্যালো।
কি আশ্চর্য কথা!
আপনি সব খুলে বলুন।
So,
Where are
so
you from?
I am from Bangladesh, and I have a simple question for you. So, what is the pronunciation your country, Philippine or Philippines? Please tell me.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Philippines is the correct
Oh,
pronunciation.
Philippines.
Philippines is the correct pronunciation. Yeah.
Oh, but
Philippines, not Philippines.
most of most,
It Philippines.
most of the people said your country name is Philippine, but I don't believe. But
Oh, it's Philippines, not Philippines.
oh, okay, I got it.
Who
And
taught you that?
yeah, so can you guess my
Told
world?
you that it means
Can you guess my world? How old I am?
what?
How old I am? Can you
Maybe it's
look at?
25, I guess.
কান্দিস না।
হোয়াট?
আরে
No, no, no. First of all, look at my face, and you are thinking.
Mm, younger than 25.
No, no, 25. No, I'm 17 years old. 17. Only 17 years old.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Mm,
Oh my God.
আরে
okay.
Yes.
Okay. Guess my age first.
Yeah, okay. I think you're 22, right?
Mm, no, but close. Close with 22. I'm
Uh,
23.
oh, 23. Oh, that's good. So can you speak Bengali? How many languages do you
Your
know?
country.
Yes, I can't speak.
I know your country, but I can't speak
Oh, I got it.
with your language.
So can you say Ami?
Ami.
Tomake.
Ami.
Tomake.
What does it mean? What does
Okay,
it mean
I'm
first?
talking after saying Ami.
What does it mean?
It means I am good. Ami to bhalo aছি. It means I am good. Okay, now you tell me Ami.
Ami.
তোমাকে
Tumaki.
ভালোবাসি।
Tumaki. Halowashi.
It means I love you.
Halowashi.
It means I love you. You know, you know one
Oh,
good.
okay.
Nice to meet you.